Alright, man. We're rebellious. Nobody tells us what to do. If I want to walk on the stairs, I'll walk on the mother trucking stairs. What is all this crap on the floor? Hey, somebody look up here. No, I don't think so either. So freaking. These people are sucky. I mean, I don't understand. Scanning our badges isn't gonna do crap.
Scanning the badges doesn't do anything, obviously it's for a badge.
Yeah.
Then it's not really. If you lost a couple dollars, you'll be fine.
Yeah. I mean, it's not like 5 billion people go in and fake.
The majority of people are going to buy it.
The money that you spend to duplicate it, you might as well just buy one. Because you have to buy the cards and the colored ink.
This goes outside. Do you want to go outside?
Sure. Yeah. People suck butt. Go down the stairs if I want it. Dude, these toilets are jank. Watch what happens. Watch. You once you sit down on it. I didn't even pee yet. Stupid thing. Are you okay, toilet? I'm gonna leave now. Goodbye.